What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to set passcode lock for messages on the Truecaller. So open up Truecaller guys, click your account on the upper left hand side, scroll down and go to settings, then click in messaging. And here you'll find at the top set up passcode lock, right? So you don't have it set up here, so you click the where it says not set up and you will basically go through the step of setting this up. So here you can choose a 4-digit pin, you can enable fingerprint, and you can even go ahead and set your passcode. So if I click that and I click let's do it, for example, I can go ahead and just set that which one as my default, or I can do it later. Here I can set a passcode. For example, I'm going to put in a passcode here, and here you will see that again asks me to re-enter it, and you can see right there that it is setting up my passcode and successfully set up right there. I can confirm that, and yeah, it is now active. So this is how you can easily use or set a passcode lock on the Truecaller app. Very easy and very simple.